Hi, it's me, Pam Van E. I just thought I'd bring you up to um, date on what's been going on. I've been a little missing in action. Just taking a little mental health break. We went on vacation to Florida, just a short trip. I would have liked to stop and have seen some people, but it just wasn't the time. But anyway, we know we're going back to the same location, which was Cocoa Beach, Cape Canaveral. Had a good time, saw a launch um, from the beach. And I just want to put my crafting on hold while I can just get a few things done and organized. I feel really scattered. So I have a lot of unfinished projects. Like I wanted to work on my dollhouse, and things are not quite like I want it finished or anything. So I want to come back to this. And yeah, I just have stuff all laying around, not finished. So this, I have a lot of unfinished things. This isn't quite how I want it yet. It will be, but I'm feeling just really like overwhelmed. Oh, it's funny. I can see some things my granddaughter put in here, like that lamp. She likes to move things around. So I want to get back to this. Um, and I have some unfinished little Golden Book journals, 3 in the works. I have a farmhouse binder in the works, but I feel like before I can do that, I need to get some things organized and accomplished. Okay, so then I will feel ready to move on and do some of these things. I'm going to pause it now. Okay, here's my second dollhouse. This one, the other one was in the guest room. This one's downstairs. This is going to have shops. And you say, well, why can't you just work on it maybe one day a week? But I feel like everything else is kind of off kilter. I just want to get things more in balance. I'm reorganizing my craft room. Just unpacking, getting things organized from being back from our trip to Florida. And so I have to be in the mood for something. So I want to just have everything organized. So I'm going to put aside all my projects and just get organized. Look at the cute little bunnies I've been collecting for. These are going to be like little shops. Up here is going to be like a little thrift shop. And then here's the bakery I kind of started, where the bakery, where you bake the things are. And then down here is where the actual bakery will be. And I still have to finish like, wallpaper or painting. And then here is the coffee shop. So look how cute it's going to be. And then the flower shop. And this was these shelvings, and I have to paint it and stuff. I just broke it apart. It was like what do you call that? A miniature, where you put little tchotchkes. And I broke that apart. I used one in the farmhouse, the other dollhouse. I call it a farmhouse dollhouse, in my craft room. And then this will be in the little thrift shop. And then this one I'll probably paint. And then I arranged all these little flowers from flowers that I bought. So I've just got a lot going on, and I just feel really, really scattered. So I think I'm going to be tested for ADD because my daughter thinks I should, and a lot of my kids are. So anyway, so I just wanted to tell you what's been going on, and please do not unsubscribe or think I'm lost somewhere. But I will come back. I'm also going to do some art therapy too, but I have to be in the mood for what I'm doing. And right now is organizing my craft supplies. And then I feel like I'm like, oh yeah, I can just do this now. So there will be a time where I am going to have, a day for Dollhouse Day, and different things like that. So I just wanted to let you know we had a great trip. My husband and I drove down to Florida and to get some sunshine because it's a little bit cool here. Although right now the sun is out. I'll show you right here. Here's right downstairs. But yeah, it's sunny. So that's a good thing. I love to be outside. And I'm looking forward to that. But we went to Florida for a little sunshine and check out the area. And we're going to come back to Cocoa Beach, Cape Canaveral area next year for a couple of weeks. Just rent a condo. Anyway, so I just wanted to let you know I might not be on for a while because I just got to get my life organized. All right? So stick with me and we will see you next time. Bye.